Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be solving a very peculiar problem that most students and educators face while using Figma. So recently Figma added some new changes or new updates, and then everybody wants to try this out. So for most of the people that want to try the local variable, so we can actually create a variable here. Let's click on the plus sign and I'm adding number. So but the problem starts when I try to create a mode here. So this screen pops up. What Figma does is that they provide a free package for students and also for educators. So we are going to learn how to upgrade to that plan so that we can use these features for free. Please stay tuned. In the next 3 minutes, we're going to be able to set up an account as a student or as an educator. Please, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. Thank you. So I recently got a complaint for most of my viewers, my subscriber, that they are unable to use the mode feature that was recently added with the local variable because they are all on the free plan. So Figma allows students to actually enjoy these new features. An instructor, if you're an instructor or a student, they allow you to use this feature. Since you're learning, they don't expect you to pay for those packages. So today I'm going to show you how you can actually request or send a request to Figma telling them that you are a student. So let's jump into it. So I will click on the local variable here, then I'll click on create variable. Once I have this, so let's say I'm going to give that a number. If you try to create this mode, we get this problem here. So what we're going to do here is I'll click on see all features here. So now we have the different plans here that are available. So since we have different plans here we are going to click free for students and instructor. So I'm going to click this section here. So now you need to be verified that you are a student or an instructor here. So I will click on get verified here. So now we have to fill out all this form here. So it's telling me that I'm currently signing as this. So here I will say I'm a student. If you are an instructor, you can pick this. You're an educator here. Why are you applying for free Figma education plan? So I want to learn how to use Figma to create products. So you're expected to provide a name, a genuine reason for this. So what is the name of your school here? So you have to provide a name, the name of the school you're currently enrolled with. So if you are anywhere, so this is the school I graduated from, I can fill this here. So what is your primary field of study? So here I studied computer science. I'm currently studying computer science. So you have to fill that sincerely. So here you have to select this year, which month are you expected to graduate. So you can provide the month. So it should be April. So let's say by this next year, I will be a graduate here. So now this is to inform you that the information. So you have to look at this, agree with this, then yes here, and then you can submit your request to Figma. So now you see welcome to Figma for education here. So I can click on this choose theme to upgrade here. So once I select this here, I already have my design team here that I want to work with. So I can click on agree here and then I can complete the upgrade here. So once we have that, I can just easily go back to my recent file here. So I can click on the untitled. So what we're going to do is I'm going to try to do the same thing here. You see, I have my mode here. I can click on this again. You see, I have 3 different modes. So this is how you can apply for the student package in Figma. So if you like tutorials like this, kindly subscribe. If this is helpful, you can also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.